Ladies and gentlemen, the quest for knowledge begins anew. Let's dive right in. Unboxing the ultimate tech gadgets of 2023, a glimpse into tomorrow's innovations. Welcome to an exhilarating journey into the future, where innovation knows no bounds and technology continues to redefine the way we live, work, and play. In this special edition of our channel, we're thrilled to bring you an exclusive unboxing experience that unveils the most anticipated tech gadgets of 2023. Get ready to witness firsthand the marvels that are poised to shape our lives in ways we've only imagined. Buckle up as we dive headfirst into the world of cutting-edge technology, where the lines between science fiction and reality blur. Our unboxing adventure takes us through a curated selection of the most talked-about gadgets that have the tech community buzzing with excitement. From sleek smartphones that fold into tablets to mind-bending augmented reality glasses that overlay digital elements onto the physical world, each unboxing promises an exploration of features that push the boundaries of innovation. We'll highlight the advanced processors, stunning displays, and mind-boggling functionalities that are raising the bar for the gadgets we rely on every day. But it's not just about the gadgets themselves, it's about the experiences they offer. Join us as we test out the capabilities of wearable health tech that monitors your well-being in real time, smart home devices that create seamless living environments, and gaming consoles that transport you to virtual realms of unimaginable realism. Our unboxing journey isn't just about the shiny exteriors and sleek packaging, it's about the stories behind each creation. We'll delve into the minds of the engineers, designers, and visionaries who brought these gadgets to life, giving you an insider's look at the passion and dedication that drive technological progress. As we unbox and explore, we'll also discuss the implications of these innovations on our daily lives. How will these gadgets transform the way we communicate, learn, work, and relax? What opportunities do they open up, and what challenges do they present? Join the conversation as we ponder the future possibilities that these gadgets unveil. Whether you're a tech enthusiast eager to stay ahead of the curve or simply curious about the wonders of tomorrow, this unboxing series promises an immersive experience like no other. Subscribe now to embark on a journey through the realms of innovation, as we unbox the ultimate tech gadgets of 2023 and offer you a glimpse into the exciting world that awaits us. Get ready to witness the future, unboxed. Thanks for watching.